What if I told you your next snack could help your skin stay firmer, your joints feel younger, and your body produce more collagen, naturally? Forget expensive creams and supplements. Some of the best collagen foods are already sitting in your kitchen. Today we're counting down 20 collagen-boosting snacks, from good to absolutely incredible. And trust me, number 1 surprised even nutrition researchers. Let's begin. 20. Pumpkin seeds. Tiny, but incredibly powerful. Pumpkin seeds are loaded with zinc. Without enough zinc, your body struggles to build collagen, even if you're eating enough protein. Just one handful every day gives your skin the minerals it needs to repair itself. 19. Cashews. Everyone talks about vitamin C. Almost nobody talks about copper. But copper helps strengthen the collagen your body already makes. A small handful of cashews every afternoon is one of the easiest ways to get more. 18. Bell pepper with hummus. Think oranges have the most vitamin C. Think again. A red bell pepper contains almost 3 times more vitamin C than an orange. That makes it one of the best collagen-supporting vegetables you can eat. Dip it in hummus for extra protein and minerals. 17. Strawberries with dark chocolate. This snack tastes like dessert, but your skin loves it. Strawberries provide vitamin C. Dark chocolate delivers antioxidants that may help protect collagen from sun damage. Healthy never tasted this good. 16. Kiwi and Greek yogurt. One kiwi contains more vitamin C than most oranges. Pair it with Greek yogurt, and you've got vitamin C, protein, probiotics, and collagen-building amino acids all in one bowl. 15. Citrus with mixed nuts. Vitamin C starts collagen production. Healthy fats and minerals help finish the job. An orange and a handful of almonds or walnuts is one of the simplest anti-aging snacks you'll ever make. 14. Sardines on crackers. Don't skip this one. Sardines contain marine collagen, omega-3 fats, calcium, and vitamin D. They're one of the most nutrient-dense foods on Earth. 13. Beef jerky. Choose a clean brand with minimal ingredients. Beef jerky is packed with protein and collagen-building amino acids. It's the perfect snack when you're on the go. 12. Turkey roll-ups. Wrap turkey slices around avocado and cucumber. Done. Protein, healthy fats, and nutrients your skin needs, all in less than 2 minutes. 11. Pork rinds. Yes, really, good quality pork rinds naturally contain collagen because they're made from skin. Just avoid heavily processed brands loaded with artificial ingredients. 10. Chicken skin crisps. For years we were told to throw away the skin. Turns out, it's one of the richest natural sources of collagen. Bake it until crispy and enjoy it in moderation. 9. Tuna cucumber boats. Fresh, crunchy, and packed with protein. Tuna provides collagen-building amino acids while cucumber adds hydration and silica, a winning combination. 8. Salmon bites. Salmon isn't just great for your heart, the skin contains marine collagen, while omega-3 fats help reduce inflammation that breaks collagen down. Always eat the skin if you can. 7. Hard-boiled eggs. Simple, cheap, portable. Eggs provide proline and glycine, 2 important amino acids your body uses to build collagen. 6. Cottage cheese with berries. Protein plus antioxidants. Cottage cheese provides slow-digesting protein. Berries help protect your existing collagen from damage. Together, they're a powerhouse. 5. Greek yogurt with collagen. This might be the easiest collagen snack ever. Mix 1 scoop of collagen peptides into plain Greek yogurt. Top with blueberries. You've just created a protein-packed snack your skin will thank you for. 4. Collagen protein bars. Not all collagen bars are equal. Look for bars where collagen peptides are listed near the top of the ingredients. Low sugar, high protein, real ingredients, that's the winning formula. 3. Homemade gelatin gummies. These look like candy, but they're actually loaded with collagen. Use grass-fed gelatin, fruit juice, and a little raw honey. Kids love them, and adults benefit too. 2. Bone broth. Before collagen powders, there was bone broth. Slow-cooked bones release collagen, gelatin, and amino acids that support healthy skin, joints, and your gut. Sometimes, the oldest foods really are the best. Number 1. Collagen smoothie popsicles. This snack combines almost everything your body needs. Collagen peptides, Greek yogurt, mixed berries, fresh lemon juice, a little raw honey, blend, freeze. Now you've got vitamin C, collagen, probiotics, antioxidants, and protein all in one delicious popsicle. It's healthy enough for adults and tasty enough for kids. Unending. Here's the secret. Collagen isn't built from one magic food. It's built from consistent daily habits. Choose a few of these snacks each week, and you're giving your skin, joints, and body the nutrients they need to stay strong from the inside out. Which snack surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoy simple science-backed nutrition tips, subscribe and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next video.